Hello dear students, today we are going to start a new subject, that is elementary mathematics for agriculture graduates, that is for BSc Agri, BSc Agribusiness Management students. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Gholab. In this video we are going to see the introduction to matrices, definition of matrices and types of matrices we are going to study in this video. Matrices. The theory of matrices was developed by an English mathematician Arthur Cayley. Matrices are useful in expressing numerical information in a compact form. They are effectively used in economics, statistics and computer engineering and physics. Definition of matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m by n. Such an arrangement is enclosed by brackets, either this bracket or this bracket. Matrices are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, and its elements are denoted by A, B, C, X, Y, Z, small cap letters. Here, this is the example of matrix. Here, arrangement of 9 elements arranged in 3 rows. Rows are horizontal and 3 columns. Columns are vertical. First row elements are 1, 6, 8. Second row elements are 3, 4, 9. Third row elements are 3, 5, 2. Okay. Types of matrix. First type of matrix is a column matrix or vector. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix, and order of column matrix is always 1 by n. Okay. While representing the order, first of all, we have to write down number of rows and then we have to write down the number of column. Here you can see there are only one column and 3 rows. That's why order of this matrix is 3 by 1. Here 2 by 1. Likewise, we have to mention the order of that matrix. Column matrix, a matrix having only one column is called column matrix. Then row matrix. Row matrix, a matrix having only one row is known as row matrix. Okay, and order of this matrix you can see here. Here number of rows is only 1 and number of columns are 3. That's why order of this matrix is 1 by 3. Here 1 by 4. Likewise, we have to mention the order of that matrix. While representing the order, first of all, we have to write down number of rows and then number of columns. Remember. Rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix is a matrix which a matrix having different number of rows and column, or the contain more than one elements and number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Such matrix we call it as a rectangular matrix. Here you can see 2 number of columns and 4 number of rows. That's why order of this matrix is 4 by 2. Here always remember number of rows are not equal to number of column. That type of matrix we call it as a rectangular matrix. Square matrix. A square matrix, a matrix having same number of rows and same number of column. Okay, you can see here 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Such matrix we call it as a square matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, a square matrix in which every non-diagonal elements are 0. Every non-diagonal element. This is a main diagonal 1, 2, 1, and these are non-diagonal elements are 0. Such a matrix we call it as a diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which every non-diagonal elements is 0 is called diagonal matrix. Unit or identity matrix, which is represented by capital I. A scalar matrix, or we can say diagonal matrix, in which diagonal elements is 1 is called as unit matrix, or an identity matrix. Identity matrix is always denoted by capital I. You can see here non-diagonal elements are 0 and main diagonal elements are 1. Such matrix we call it as a unit or identity matrix, and which is denoted by capital I. Null matrix. Null matrix is a matrix in which every element is 0. You can see here every element is 0. Such matrix we call it as a null matrix or 0 matrix. Triangular matrix, a square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonals are 0. Such matrix we call it as a triangular matrix. Triangular matrix are further divided into two types, upper triangular and lower triangular. We are going to see in next slide. Upper triangular matrix, a square matrix whose elements below the main diagonals are 0. You can see here below the non-diagonals are 0. Such matrices are known as upper triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix, a square matrix whose elements above the main diagonals are 0. You can see here that we call it as a lower triangular matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are equal. Okay, a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal are known as scalar matrix. Here scalar is defined as a single number or constant. You can see here scalar elements are equal, diagonal elements are one scalar or similar scalar. That is known as scalar matrix. Thank you.